Next week could be explosive for XAG USD because silver is sitting at a zone where one breakout can trigger a massive rally, while one rejection can crash the market fast. And trust me, after that, what's happening with the US dollar, Fed expectation, and global risk sentiment, this is not a week to trade blindly. So in this video, I'll show you a weekly chart, daily chart, and 4-hour structures, the exact bullish and bearish scenario for the next week. Let's begin. If you trade XAG USD, gold, silver, forex or commodities, subscribe now because every week we break down the market with pure price action and smart money analysis. Now let's go directly into silver's chart, and that is on a weekly chart. If you see, the price is trading around $75.47. Okay, and now if you see, this particular hammer is an opposite red candle hammer. Okay, after that we have seen there is a change in the trend. Okay, because if you look at this particular trend, there is a particular pattern has formed that you have to understand that the previous week high, okay, from where which we have seen an opposite hammer forming around $89.4. Okay, high of around 89.4. Okay, and with a low of around $76. Understand the price has already moved below that level, trading around $75.47. Okay, and what we have seen this particular week's low is around 73.2. Okay, and the price also been downside, but it is trying to form a green. Okay, as of now it is on the doji side. Okay, with a high of around $78.7. This is what we can see. If you look at this trend, the price was continuously moving upside. Now after that there is a range market where the price has made a high of around 89.6 and the low of around 71.5. This is the range where the price is moving. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, there is two scenarios that you have to look here. First, what we have seen, it made a sharp rise above a level of around 121. Okay, and a low on the second week around $64.12. Okay, this is what we can see. Those who have traded a buying situation here might have lost their capital. So always remember to trail your SL or put your SL whenever you start your trade, and once you in profit, try to trail it. Okay, this is very important. So what we can see on the weekly chart, that whole structure looks still bullish and the market has been creating higher low, which tells us buyer are still active in the bigger picture. If silver manages to close strongly above this weak resistance, we could see a major continuation rally towards the next major liquidity zone. Okay, this is the price is moving for so long. Suppose if it started going upside, it can move towards next level of around $76.2, which is support, which is resistance 1, which is very close, and after that the price will go directly towards next level of 77.71, which is resistance 2. And then if it started going higher, we will see that it will touch a level of 80.7, which is resistance 3, and it will go directly towards a level of 82.4, then to a level of $83.3, which is resistance 4. Okay, the price is moving in this range. So remember, as soon as it started going above a level of 83.3, chance of crossing a level of 89.4 is there, which is this is the level where the price is moving. Now if it started coming down, see, it has already made a hammer, so we have seen that there will be a change in the trend. Okay, so suppose if it started going down, we can see it can touch a level of 71.13. okay, 74.13. Understand that silver is clearly creating an opposite hammer, which is showing that the price of gold is also on downside, as well as we have seen that the price of dollar index is also going on the further upside movement. So we can see the price of silver can come down as well as gold. Okay, so chances can be very high that if it started falling below $74.5, we will see that there will be a downfall towards a level of 72.4, which is a weak level, and then it will go directly towards 70.16. and if it started going below this level, chance of touching 67.9, and then it will move towards a level of $65.6. This is the opposite U pattern is forming, so we will see that the price will go further down and it will touch a level of 64.5, which is already a weak level, so we will see it will go directly towards next level of 60.9. This is what we can see, and if it started going down, we will see there can be a further fall. So trailing your SL is very important. Understand what we can see looking at this chart, that the overall trend we can see there is a bullish scenario if you see, but if silver manages to close strongly above this weekly resistance, we could see a major continuous rally towards the major liquidity zones. Okay, this hammer is playing an important role, which we have seen there is a change in the trend for this particular week, and if this creates this particular doji candle we can see, and if the green candle form after this, there is a probability of upside. But what we have seen that this particular hammer creating, there will be a change in the trend, so chances can be high. If it form a green candle, a further upside can be seen. So if it started rising above a level of around 77.6, we can see there will be an upside. But if it started going down, we will see that it can touch 74.6, which is a level where we can see that it started going down, we can see a level of $72.9, and further downfall can be seen. So trailing your SL by around $1 or $2, so at least you will capture upside as well as downside movement. Okay, now moving on more lower time frame, what you can see, if you look at the lower time frame, we have seen on a daily chart a clear opposite U pattern has formed. So understand 82.9 is a level where we have seen if it started rising, we can see that the price can go further upside movement. Okay, but if it started coming down, what we can see, suppose now if you look at this particular trend from opposite U pattern, we have seen there is an upside, and chances are high that it can move towards $74.5, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 74.3, and then it will fall below 73.5, because these are the two patterns which is showing a downside. And yes, there is a chance that it can fall below 72.2, and from there it can touch a level of 70.9 also. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we will see the price will fall further low, and then we will see that it will touch a level of $70.8. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, we can see it will move towards 69.8, and then a further fall can be seen. But if it started rising, it can touch a level of 77.10, then to a level of 78.2, and then to a level of 78.9. Okay, and if it keep rising above this level, a further upside can be seen towards 79.7, then to a level of 80.6, and if started going above 82.9, there is a probability that this pattern will support an upside, then we can see a probability of further high can be seen. So trailing your SL by around $1 or $2 is important if the price sustain above a level of around 76.8, and once started going above this level, probability will be high, it can cross a level of 88 or it can cross a level of 89. This is what we can see. Coming back on more lower time frame, where we can see, if coming on 4 hour time frame, what you can see, there is a clear opposite U pattern has formed, then there is an upside. If started coming down, it can come down towards a level of 74.5, and from there a level of 74.3, and it can move towards $73. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall can be seen. But if it started rising, it can touch a level of 76.5, then to a level of 77, and then there will be a zone breakout, so it can touch a level of 78.8. Trailing your SL is very important. See, it is purely based on the price actions. You have to understand the overall trend is showing a downside, but the price is moving in this zone. But if you see on a day-wise chart and 4 hour chart, it is showing continuously on the downside, and it is trying to form that it can move below 73.3. Okay, if we talk on the US economic factor that could drive silver next week, the biggest catalyst will be Federal Reserve commentary, US inflation expectation, treasury yield, labor market data, overall US dollar strength. But remember, silver usually perform well when the dollar weaken and rate cut expectation increase. But if yield continues rising, the Fed stays hawkish and metal could face short-term pressure. Okay, so overall silver remain bullish in the long-term structure, but the next week could bring major volatility in both direction. Okay, so breakout above resistance could trigger continuation higher, while rejection from resistance may lead to a corrective move lower. Patience and risk management will be critical. So you have to understand, put your SL and trailing SL, that is very important. On the bullish side, we can see we started going above 77, a further high can be seen towards $78, and then a further upside. But if it keep moving below 75, chance of touching 74.2, and then a further fall can be seen. If you enjoy the XAG USD analysis, make sure you like the video and subscribe for weekly US market updates on silver, gold, forex and commodities, and comment below, do you think silver breakout next week or pull back before the next rally? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next